Hi, I'm Huida, and I'm going to introduce this urban analysis platform for site selection of the urban renovation for you. Basically, it's a continuation and upgrade of my last real estate project. I developed this project mainly based on Django and Mapbox. Now I will open it. Well, first, when you open the page, you'll have a rough understanding of the whole area at first sight, and you can see that these parcels are colored by a special attribute. And if you want to change the color to another attribute, you can just click on the buttons on the bottom of the screen. For example, right now, the parcels are colored by average sold prices of housings in a parcel. And from this, we can find out which parts are the most expensive areas, like this, the color with the highest value. And this part, and this part are all the areas that are most expensive. And we can also find the areas that are less expensive with colors like this too. And if you want to find out the areas that sells at a very quick speed, or sells most quickly, you can just click on the buttons here, like this. Then we will find the parcels are changed to the color that shows the information of average sold days of each parcel. And we can find the colors like this too. Displays the minimum values of average sold days, and we will find the parcels like this, that sells at the least average days. Then they are the potential popular sites in the real estate market. And besides all of this, we can find there is a box for filtering out the parameters of the number of different facilities. And we can say there are 4 kinds of facilities: the education facilities, the medical facilities, the business facilities, and the transportation facilities. For example, if we want to find out the areas that with the number of kindergartens bigger than 1 and the number of elementary schools bigger than 2, we can just enter the values here. And if we also want the parcels with the convenience store bigger than 3, then we can enter the value here, and we will roll it up and check if the number of education facilities we just entered has remained. Yeah, we can see that that's the value we just entered before. And after we are done, entering all the values of the parameters that we want to control, we can click on the Submit button here, and we will see that this page will update and return the parcels that satisfy our requirements. And we can also click on a certain parcel, and it will pop out a window that contains the basic information of this parcel, and we will also see our comprehensive evaluation of this parcel. And you can click on different parcels, and you will see the evaluation of parcels will change accordingly. Like this parcel may have a high value in this aspect, and this parcel have a high value in this aspect. And well, if I click on this parcel, then it will lead me to another page that has both the surrounding environments of this parcel and the information of the residential neighborhood in this parcel to give us more support on our decision of site selection. And we can also come back to the previous page, and we can select the specific area or parcels satisfying our requirements, and observing their different attributes values to have a comparison of them in great detail. And like this, we could choose everywhere we want. Okay, and after we have different aspects of analysis of each parcel, we can also zoom in and to see the buildings. Okay, let's just wait for a moment for the browser. Yeah, the buildings has showed up. To see the buildings that on each parcel, and learn more detail of the select areas that we want. And actually, these building areas is loaded for our future analysis. Okay, that's basically all the current functions of this analysis platform, and I will deploy the prediction models on this website in the future. And if possible, I will talk with my current boss to work with more interns to build a better analysis platform. And that's basically all the things about this project currently. And thanks.